Welcome. You may take a moment to get comfortable in whatever position feels right for you. You may invite your body and mind to settle with a slow breath in and a gentle breath out. Notice three things that you can see, anything within your line of vision. Simply noticing them. Next, notice two things you can hear, sounds near or far, without judging or analyzing, just noticing. Now, notice one thing you can feel, maybe the chair beneath you, or the texture of your clothing. Take one more breath in and gently breathe out. Thank you. This simple reset is available to you anytime you need it.